In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sticky note in Miro. If you're new to Miro or just want a quick refresher, this walkthrough will help you add sticky notes clearly and confidently so your ideas stand out on the board. Start by opening your Miro board. Take a moment to look at the left-hand toolbar. This is where you'll find the tools you'll use most often. We're going to use the sticky note tool, which looks like a small square with a folded corner. You can click that icon to select it, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press the N key to activate it right away. This shortcut is great when you're adding multiple notes and want to keep your momentum. Once the tool is selected, you'll see a palette of colors appear. Choose a color that matches your purpose, maybe yellow for ideas, green for tasks, or any color that helps you visually organize your thoughts. Color coding is a simple way to make your board easier to scan later. Now it's time to place your note. You have two easy options. If you just click once anywhere on the board, Miro will place a standard size sticky note at that spot. This is perfect for quick thoughts. If you want a note with a specific size right from the start, click and drag to draw it. Release your mouse when it looks right. Don't worry about being perfect. Size can be adjusted later. To add text, click directly on the sticky note and start typing your message. Keep it concise and clear so it's readable at a glance. If you need to edit your text, simply double-click the note to jump back into editing mode. This makes tweaking wording quick and painless. For formatting, look for the context menu that appears near the note. From here, you can change the color if you want to recategorize, switch the shape to better fit your layout, and adjust the font to make your text more readable. You can also resize the note by dragging its corners, make it larger for detailed content or smaller for labels and keywords. If a note feels too crowded, consider splitting your message across multiple notes so each idea has space. And that's it. Open your board, pick the sticky note tool or press N, choose a color, place your note with a click or a drag, type your message, and fine-tune the look with the context menu. With these basics, you'll create clean, organized boards that communicate your ideas at a glance.